Here we are on day 2 of our 3-week tour of Scotland. Yesterday was mainly a driving day. It took us about 6 hours and we reached Carlisle, where we stayed overnight in the Greenacre Caravan.
It's actually raining inside at the moment.
Where we stayed in the Greenacre Caravan Park. It was £31 a night, which is not what we would normally spend, but needs must. It had fantastic facilities. So there was a block with showers, toilets, washing up and laundry. The showers they were massive. So it was like a big wet room. It had a ceiling rainfall shower and a separate normal shower head. It then had a toilet round the corner. It was wet room style, so it all drained down into a plug hole. There was a stool, a sturdy stool. There was racks for storing shoes and clothes. There were so many hangers, coat pegs, that you could put your clothes on. I just couldn't fault it. In fact, I had a shower last night. I had a shower this morning as well, just to get my £31 worth. Pete, tell us about what happened yesterday.
Things didn't exactly go to plan electrically. On the way up, it looked like the leisure battery system was giving a few warning signs, but there's nothing you can do about that. So we got to site last night, turned on the leisure battery, and the system was reporting basically, batteries absent, no charge. That's a little bit difficult to believe, as these are 2 brand new batteries that have hardly spent any time disconnected from anything. So I did a little bit of troubleshooting, which was possible on a caravan site last night, changing out the fuses, wiggling around a couple of connections, even to the point of firing up the old EcoFlow, putting a battery charger and hooking that thing up to the bus bars under the driver's seat. And that worked, which was a good sign. It enabled us to move forward. Fortunately, last night we were on electrical hookup as well, so it wasn't too much of a problem, but we are intending to go off-grid. So we're sitting in a car park in Clydebank at the moment, and over there is the car electrical centre. We just had the bloke that was running the place have a look at the system. He checked out all the connections. He did find some faults on the vehicle battery. There was a blown fuse, and the terminal block was actually quite loose, so he's tightened that all up. It's giving everything else from the leisure battery side a once over. We don't see any more loose connections, and in fact the system is reporting we're fully charged and ready to go at the moment. Excellent.
And whilst Pete was in the auto electricians, I was outside watching all the planes go by. We're very, very close to Glasgow airport, and we're on the main approach route. The planes are very low, very loud, and I love planes, so I've been well excited.
Okay, while being at Clydebank is very exciting, what are we going to do next?
It's laptop time.
And what are you going to do with the laptop?
I'm going to have a look and see where we can, see what's of interest in the local area. Apart from, we don't want to do the city. It's quite funny actually, because we never really planned this trip other than the first day, which has completely gone out the window. So we haven't been to Hadrian's Wall and we haven't been to Gretna Green. And the 2 places I said I didn't want to visit was Glasgow and Edinburgh, and we're here in Glasgow. So we're going to have a look, see what's kind of nearby that's interesting, and see if we can find a nice off-grid park up for the night.
Loch Lomond is not too far away from here, so I'm hoping we're going to find a place there, and that puts us nicely on the road to Glencoe, which is another place we want to go. And we do have a booking for a place we've been wanting to go for ages, and it's been recommended by a whole lot of different people, and it's the wonderful
Bunree.
Right, so we're going to head off now.